I'm Rosie from CrucialVacuum.com. Today we're going to change the HF2 HEPA filter on the Eureka SmartVac vacuum cleaner. First, make sure that your vacuum is unplugged. Next, you want to pop open this top here and take out your old filter. Let's get rid of that. Take your new filter from CrucialVacuum.com. Here you go. Make sure that this side with the little sticky edges, that goes in first. Remember, CrucialVacuum.com will ship to you for free. Put this guy in. Replace the door. There you go. You just replaced your HF2 HEPA filter from CrucialVacuum.com. See you at CrucialVacuum.com.